So I just quickly wanted to show you a new book that I've made. It's Soap Maker's Journal. It's for cold process, but obviously it could be used for melt and pour as well. That's the cover. That's the back. And basically inside the book belongs to, so you get to put your name there. I've got a little chart here that's a measurements conversion chart, so grams into ounces, so you can work it either way. So 10 grams equals 0.35274 ounces, and then you can work out your calculations that way, because I know a lot of you get confused because we all use different measurements. Then on the next page, I'll start with this side. There's a few lines at the top here and then a blank area at the bottom here. You can draw your little patterns and what kind of soap you want to create. And here we've got the name, date, water, lye, oils and fragrance, and then you can put your ingredients, the percentage and the amount. And this basically just continues on throughout the whole book. So it's 50 odd recipes that you can fit in there.